Yo, welcome in beautiful people with a new YouTube video. We are making some dauphine, but I just want to show you how to scoop some quenelles. So let's show you how to scoop a quenelle. We got already a few over here. With sorbet you got to do it with a warm spoon and in one take. That's different. But I'm going to show you how to do it with a mackerel tartare or with pommes dauphine. Let's go to the cutting board camera. Look, you take a little bit of the batter, the mix, and then you just press it into a kind of handmade press with 2 spoons. You do need to have this kind of style of spoons, and then you can just scrape it, shape it, and get down. And then you got a nice quenelle to put in the deep fryer. Let's go. You can freeze them if you like, put them in a Ziploc bag, but you can bake them too in the deep fryer. So beautiful people, my lovely foodie fam, thank you again for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like or drop a little comment on it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. No. And then I accidentally ended my live stream. Lol. Much love.